Hello guys, welcome back another video. My dear friends, if you are facing this issue like how to fix GTA 5 error unable to launch a game, please verify your game data. And if you are facing this kind of error, then how you can fix this issue. So let's get started. First of all, what you have to do, you need to open your Epic Store, and on Epic Store you need to click on your you can say over here. As you can see, I need to close this option, and this is my Epic Store. On my Epic Store you need to select your game, and like this one, and you need to click on three dots, and you need to click on manage. And once you click on manage, click on verify files. Just click on verify, and it will take some time, approx 3 to 5 minutes, and it will take maybe long time. So it's totally depend on your internet speed. If the internet speed is good, then it will take less time, and if your internet speed is not too good, then it will take more than 10 minutes. Okay, so you just have to wait for your download and verification. It will take like 100% complete in within 10 minutes. Okay, so that's it. By using this method you can easily fix this issue. And if you have purchased your game from Steam, then what you have to do, you need to visit on your Steam, and you need to click on library homes, and you need to select your game, which game you are facing error, like GTA 5. This is an example. All methods are same for all games, method are same. So you just need to simply click on this icon, and once you click on this icon, like game icon, and you need to click on this option, setting option, manage. You need to click on manage option, and as you can see over here, this is your manage option. And once you click on manage option, you need to click on properties, and once you click on properties, it will open another pop-up window. And on this window you need to click on install files, and you need to click on verify integrity of game files, and that's it. Just simply click on this option, and it will take also some time, and that's it. By using this method you can easily fix your game issue if you have purchased your game from Steam, and if you have purchased your game from Epic Store. Both methods are same. You can verify your game, and you can fix this issue, like this one error, the GTA 5 error, unable to launch game. Please verify your game. This error you can fix by using this method. Okay, so if you are still facing same issue, then you can make a comment. I will reply very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.